Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 19th of November, 2022. We're going to give some key price levels for Apple stock today. Now, first of all, I want to show you all the price predictions that's currently on the chart for Apple. You guys can see it's right here. So I did a price prediction in Apple on November the 5th, 2022, looking for the price to go down. And you guys can see it that it did. But I told you all that we can see the support in Apple come in right around here. And the market did just that on November the 9th. The market came and held support at that level. I would say like around $133, $135, give or take. That is why the price currently is up at $151. This is going against me right now. I get it. And I understand that the market is the bellwether. It's the truth seeker that tells everyone what you need to be doing. So the market currently is telling me that, hey, your idea of looking for Apple to go lower is not currently going to plan. We need to change it, right? Let's talk about it. So let me go ahead and get rid of this first. If you guys didn't get that support area on November the 9th and you were to get out the market on the last trade of yesterday, you're down 9%. I get it. It happens. But let's talk about what the market is anticipated to do in Apple now. Let's give you all some key levels. Let me show you all the weekly chart real quick. First, in Apple, you guys can see that this particular weekly price bar right here in Apple is where the market was telling us that they want to lift price. Now, I've already identified this resistance area around 155. That's going to be a problem in Apple. That is why the current market weekly price bar right here is so small compared to what we saw the previous week. That is why the weekly price bar is so small. Now, we saw about the same amount of volume come in Apple. I don't like that the price in Apple closed off of the high of that weekly price bar. I don't like that because it continues to confirm to me that $155 is still a sell area for the majority of the market. Look at Apple right here on the 2 weeks though. Okay, so the only problem that I see is I would have loved to have seen the price in Apple close a little bit higher towards the high end of this 2 week price bar. That would have definitely told me that price has a little bit more gas in the tank to continue to lift this price higher. So initially, we may see price in Apple continue to hit resistance around 155, continue to come back down in price. But the long-term view, we can kind of tell that the market is trying to move up, right? Now, let's put all this into context. I'm not saying that Apple is a massive buy right now, but it looks strong. It's maintaining its weight. It's been taking a couple of hits from the sellers in the market, but price is still trying to lift. So I'm going to go ahead and play the upside in the market in Apple. But let me put that into context. We already established this $155 as resistance. So that's going to be the first price target for us to see the market in Apple run to some issues. The second one is going to be around 158. My third one is going to be around $162.50. So let's see what we're working with. Okay. So now, as long as Apple's stock price holds $140 as support, we're going to look for the market to go higher. That first problem, the first area that we can see the sellers into the market in Apple is going to be right there around $154. That's only 2%. I get it. But that's what we're up against in the market as of this moment. This is the closest area that we can see the sellers trying to push down Apple's price. And if that's going to happen, we at least want to grab some profit out of the prediction, right? Of course. So that's the first one, $154. The second one is going to be up here around 158. You guys can see that's only 4.5%. $158, 4.5%. Second one is going to be, the third one is going to be up here around 163. That's only 7% market move higher in Apple. So let me go ahead and clean this up. Let me get rid of this support area down here as of this particular moment, because we're seeing the support really come in around 133. Okay, now let me hit this back over to the daily chart, switch this over to the last trade of Friday, and let's rock with this price prediction now. I'm done. Hit that like button, and also subscribe here to the channel. Let me know your thoughts. Give me your thought process as to how you think Apple is going to trade as we approach the ending of 2022. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.